Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk about the benefits of increasing wet level on Poppo Life. Right, so let's get started. All right, so just go ahead, open your Poppo Life app and then log into your account. Right, so let me take you to the wet level option. So these are actually the wet levels on Poppo Life. We have from 1 level to 200 level, and if you look at the right hand side of my screen, you will notice that this figure right there are actually the coins required to upgrade to any of this level. Okay, so let's talk about the key benefits of increasing your wet level. Right, so I'm not going to waste much of your time. Right, so the key benefit of upgrading or increasing your wet level is to unlock more features on the app. Right, so once you are able to increase your wet level, you will get to unlock features like live stream. For male users on Poppo Life, you won't be able to go live until you reach wet level 5 on the app. Right, and that same goes to playing games on Poppo Life. If you reach a certain level like wet level 4, you can be able to play games on Poppo Life. Right, same goes to other levels on Poppo Life. Once you are able to increase your wet level, you will get to access those features. Right, you will get to access more features on the app. So that's just the key benefit of increasing your wet level on Poppo Life. So if you are at level 1, you have to find your way to level 2, and from level 2 to level 3, and it goes like that. So once you're able to grow your wet level, then you will get to access more features you probably won't even know about. So that's it guys, that's the key benefit of increasing your wet level. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know the benefit of increasing your wet level on Poppo Life. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.